Today, lawmakers move forward with a bill that will have some Kansans paying less in taxes. The bill keeps people who saw a tax cut on the federal level from paying more in state income taxes. KSNT News reporter Alec Gardner talked to lawmakers and a tax preparer about the change.
As more Kansans are getting their taxes filed, the federal tax cuts that Congress passed and President Trump signed in 2017 are being felt. While some people are seeing lower tax bills on the federal level, those same tax cuts could have people paying more on the state level. That's because in Kansas you can only itemize deductions if you itemized on the federal level.
You may not earn enough income to be able to itemize your deductions because you have to earn a significant amount of money to be able to itemize now, according to the federal plan.
Essentially, there are three groups of people. Those who don't have enough deductions to itemize at the federal or state level, those whose deductions now make it better to take the federal standard deduction but would benefit to itemize at the state level, and those who have enough deductions to itemize at the federal and state levels. It is that middle group that stands to have their taxes go up because they can't itemize on only their Kansas returns. Local tax preparers are noticing the difference this year.
20% of the total of our total clients had itemized deductions. Now I think we're probably going to have probably a fifth of those.
But it's hard to say how the tax changes will impact your family. The proposed bill could let Kansans itemize deductions on state taxes without itemizing on federal ones. It's expected to reach the Senate floor next week. In Topeka, Alec Gardner, KSNT News.